Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is emilou.arts, and today I'm going to do a little bit of journaling in my Hobonichi and also throw some watercolors and some stickers on my March pages to get myself rolling for the month. The first thing I wanted to do was print out some Sprocket photos. We played a game last night, Saturday night, Ticket to Ride. It's a really fun game. If you have kids that are like 6 to 10, they might really enjoy it. We have a lot of fun playing it. So we played that last night, and I wanted to stick that in my journal. Took a picture of my kids and my husband. My son had his sweet eye patch on. He has a corneal abrasion, so poor thing has a big old patch. But it's helping him not keep touching it, which is the key. All right, and then this sticker book is the American Crafts paper crate paper journal studio.
What was that? I totally said that wrong. Crate paper journal studio sticker pack. I think I just had a small stroke.
And I used my washi tape to make a tip-in with some, just some scrapbook paper. And I like to use that, or cards, ephemera, just different junk. You guys know, you know the drill. And then I got out all of my watercolors, and I'm throwing those in there on my March pages. And I don't know if I showed you guys this brush that I got. I got it at Michael's, and it's a size 10. It says Princeton brush, round head, and I think it was, I don't know, maybe like $12 or something, but I love this size for like plopping color on my pages. It's just a really good size. So if you are in need of a nice watercolor brush, try that one out. It was I think like the middle selection. There's like a more expensive one that's like $16 or something, and then one that's like $9, and then one that's maybe $4 or something like that. This was, I think, the middle grade, but works pretty well. I like it. And then I use my water brush a lot of the time if I am like going upstairs or something. But I actually had a cup of water and I was doing the real thing here. I've got all my Jane Davenport watercolors out. The Glitzy palette is over on the left. In the middle is the Brights palette, and on the right is the Jane Davenport Neutrals palette. If I can find them on Amazon, I will link them below. I had already stuck some stickers in here, like that St. Patty's sticker was from, from a long time ago. Stickers that I had gotten at Tuesday morning. Like you guys know, I kind of stick things in willy-nilly here and there. This is the brush that I was talking about. And now I'm going to show you all of the different number washis that I got. This is the illustration date washi from Maste, and I got it on jet pens. And it was in a haul, just like a video back. So the 7 is a cat. It's so cute. The 8 is just like a little diamond pattern. 9 is a cute blue bird. 10 is a really pretty like block letters with some things. 11 is like a bow. 12 is flowers. 13 is a loaf of bread. 14 is just like little doodles around the number. 15 was an orange bird. I didn't look at these when I watercolored my pages, but I thought it was so funny how a lot of them coordinated with the colors that I chose, which is kind of interesting. And then I went back and put on more numbers. 1 was like this just triangle doodle thing. The second was just kind of colors around a pretty 2. Let's see, where am I going now? 5 is like a scroll behind there. 6 looks like a little postage stamp. And then I'm moving to the last half of the month. That's how these rolls are organized. 7, the 28th, never mind. 28th was like triangle doodles. 29th was some cool lettering with design around it. 30th is a neat like orange bird thing, pigeon maybe. Let's see, 17th, more design. 18th is a really cute little, it's like a sunbonnet kind of hat. It's super cute. 19th is a cloud. 20th, which is my birthday, is like a scroll kind of thing. 21 is postage stamp. 22 is a cat. I love that cat. 23 is just like doodles, and 24 is a really pretty blue bird. I think is that all of them? 25, just like doodly. 26 is a bow. 27 is cute little flowers. And then that might be it. I love these date washies. They're so cute. Like I said, they are from Jet Pens. They're my fave. I also have another version of them, but I love that illustration doodle version. And there's other ones too. And I think they're like 12 something for the 2 rolls. But, I mean, they are so cute that it's worth it. At least in my eyes. This laundry basket, little illustrated picture, is collage materials that I had cut out of a magazine at some point, and that little pile of laundry, because that's kind of what Sundays are all about, catching up on that stuff. And then I glued in that orange and blue eyeball, because in that photo right there, Adeline is drawing an eyeball on Henry's eye patch. That's true love right there, when your little sister beans a Lego at your eye and gives you a gnarly corneal abrasion, but you still let her decorate your patch.
It's true love, folks.
And then those birds that are like in the marching band, that just reminded me of Henry and Addie, because they're just squirrels and crazy, and I love them. Let's see, and then I just did some journaling about yesterday, and playing the game, and we had a cookie booth at the mall yesterday and did pretty well, so that was exciting. And my friend Susie came over. She also helps like lead the troop, and she came over after the booth, and we did all the math and made sure it all added up, and all of it came out right, you guys. It was crazy, like down to the box. It was down. It like everything washed out perfectly, which is it's such an accomplishment, such a feeling, you guys. Numbers are not my thing, but it felt so good to have that all balanced. Is
this how accountants feel on a daily basis?
I could become an accountant if that's how they get to feel all the time, when they're like, yeah, it worked out, yes. Like, I want that feeling all the time. I mean, I guess I get it when I get like a hard IV stick and I'm the one that gets it. I'm like, yes! Maybe that's the same feeling. Maybe we all just have it in different ways. Who knows? But anyway, I'm just sticking in more collage stuff and stickers and sayings. That lady, like with the saying, "What are you two doing?" I love that. I cut that out of a magazine because it just reminded me of myself. Like, I feel like I'm repeatedly saying that all the time. What are you two doing? Like, it's either too loud or it's too quiet. And usually I'm really in trouble if it's too quiet. What are you two doing? And then I put in a little flag sticker. I'm using a lot of stickers from the Paige Evans American Crafts sticker book and the American Crafts like Everyday Life sticker book. And I just wrote in one that said Wolf Den meeting tomorrow night. And then that little bird, that little chirp chirp bird, is from the sticker tablet. Basically right now I'm just trying to remind myself that spring is an actual thing. It will happen. I just need to keep going. Just put one foot in front of the other, Emily. Don't quit. The snow has to stop eventually. And that's it. That was the journaling. And I'm sorry I missed part of it. My phone ran out of storage, and so you missed a little bit of stickering, but it's just stickers, not rocket science. I'm so glad that you guys watched me journal today. I'll try and get my doodles up as well sometime soon, but thank you so much. Leave me a comment. Thanks, guys. Bye.